Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding growth mindset. Let's begin with some positive self talk. I can learn from my mistakes. I can improve by working hard. I will never give up. I'm determined to do my best. Self reflection will help me succeed. I can overcome challenges with effort. I can train my brain. You need a growth mindset in order to grow. As we now know, the brain is a work in progress, and that it's never too late to learn new things and change our lives. Believe in yourself and all that you are. Know that there is something inside of you that is greater than any obstacle. Stop focusing on what can go wrong and get enthusiastic about what can go right. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are our teachers. They help us to learn and grow. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Make it a great day.